What up, guys? It is What's Short, and today we're going to be unboxing the brand new MacBook Pro. I have this thing almost completely spec'd out. 1 terabyte storage. I have 64 gigabytes of unified memory, and obviously I have the M4 Max chip in this. This is as close to speccing it out as I possibly can, for my price range at least, and this is going to be my brand new, hopefully, powerhouse of an editing machine for making all of my content. So I'm going to flip the camera around so we can get a deep dive into unboxing this so you guys can enjoy it. Alright, let's flip this around and get to these pull tabs over here. You got pull tab number 1. And then we have pull tab number 2. This is pretty exciting for me because I haven't upgraded my computer in a very, very long time. So this is a well-needed upgrade for me. Alright. So let's see. We have a brand new connector. And obviously magnetic. I'm glad we're back to the magnetic connectors. And we have a beast of a brick. Oh my gosh, this thing's so much bigger than what I was used to. You guys want to see my old one real quick? That in comparison to what I used to have, this is my old one. This thing is a lot bigger by a couple inches at least. Put this to the side. And pretty much to get to the main event, which is this brand new 16-inch MacBook. Have it facing the other way. This thing just turned on after opening it, but we have the USB port, USB Type-C ports. Probably hard to see on the camera, honestly. The connector, and 2 more ports, and a headphone jack is what it looks like over here, which is really cool. I didn't think Apple still did headphone jacks. This is so fingerprint heavy. Let me put my camera back to the other side so we can really look at it. So, now that we got this thing open, this is my 16-inch new MacBook Pro. As I said, the specs on this are insane. And as I turned it on and showed the Apple logo, I still have everything. It says hello. I'm going to set this up and start using it and hopefully having some amazing edits and try to upload a lot more. But I'll go into more of an in-depth video with this thing probably later on. But for now, thank you guys for watching. And remember, subscribe and like this video and also comment. And I'll see you guys next time.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Not it talking to me as I'm trying to do an outro.